Shabbat Shalom, everyone. If you had to choose a leader that would lead the Jewish people, who would you choose? A leader that comes from within the nation recognizes him, he grows with them, he understands them. Or would you take a leader that comes from above with a divine command? In this week's parsha, that's exactly the dilemma. Moses has a lot of roles. He's a priest, he's a king, he's also a prophet, he's a judge. But today, God comes and tells him, listen, take the priesthood and give it to Aaron, your brother. And why is that so? Because one of the Hasidic commentators, the Magid Miduvna, tells us that Aaron came from within the nation. He was there his whole life with them in Egypt. And therefore he knows the nation very well. And he's the right one to set an example, to be an educator, because one of the jobs of the priest is to be an educator. And who is more likely to educate a person that understands the nation and comes from within them? Moses, on the other hand, disappeared for 60 years. He lived in Midian. All of a sudden comes to save the Jewish people, has a divine presence in him, and comes to rule the Jewish people. Some kind of a coercion. He comes from the top and not from grassroots, and climbs to the top from the bottom. And therefore, two different individuals, Aaron and Moses. And this week's parsha, it's decided that Aaron is going to lead the Jewish nation. How much more is that so in our generation, where we're looking and seeking for leaders? And the strong message for the parsha is, a leader is someone that can understand the nation, that comes from within the nation. That's who you're supposed to look for. He's the one that can set a role model. He's the one that can educate you. Moses has a different job. He gives the Torah. He is a philosopher. He expresses the divine words to the Jewish people. But if you want an educator and to set example, you need someone that grew with the nation together. Shabbat Shalom.